Welcome to part 6 of our Stratocaster build. So right now we're going to go over how we're going to Boolean split all of our pockets that we've created. And then we're going to go over how to move our back pocket down and Boolean split it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and work in our first layer. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to go around because as you can see here, this layer is called outline, and we extruded all of our curves in the outline layer. So if you select the top there, you see you can select the curve or the extrusion. So I'm going to go around and I select the curve of every extrusion that we've done. I'm going to go ahead and move those to another layer. I'm going to name this outline. I'm going to rename this body. So now if I select off that, I'll change the color so it's more visible. So as you can see here, our outline is this nice green color, and our body is now blue. So I'm just going to keep our outline turned off. So now we're going to Boolean split all of our pockets. I'm going to turn on our shaded view just so it's easier to see what's happening. So Boolean split is something you do to a solid object. So I'm going to go under solid, go down to Boolean split, select the poly surface that we want to split from. So that's going to be our guitar body. So I'll select that, press enter, and now I'm going to go around and I'm going to select all of these extrusions. Go ahead and press done. So now it's split them. So now I'm going to go around and I'm going to delete everything that's left of these extrusions and poly surfaces. So there you have it. There's the top. Oh, missed one there. There you go. So there's the top of our Stratocaster. So now we're going to go into our back pocket. So I have this outline that we did earlier, and what we need to do is we need to move it down to the bottom of the guitar, and we need to extrude upwards into the guitar. So I'm going to go ahead and change our view back to wireframe so it's easier to see what we're doing. I'm going to select both of our objects there by holding shift down and selecting them both. Turn the gumball tool on so we can easily move objects, and I'm going to move them in the Z direction, -45 millimeters down, which is the exact same dimension as our guitar, 45 millimeters, so it should be right on the same axis line as our guitar. Go ahead and turn our shaded viewport back on now, and I'm going to Boolean split. Oh, sorry, I have to extrude these objects first. Sorry about that. Go back to wireframe. So in our blueprint, this pocket here, right here is 20 millimeters, and the pocket above it is 20 millimeters as well. So I'm going to extrude this one. $20 in the positive direction. So all of our other ones, we're extruding them down. This one we're going to extrude up. I'm going to go ahead I'm going to redo that, make sure that we're in the body layer. So I undid that, I went to the body layer, so now I'll be extruding up into the guitar. Go ahead and redo that. And I'll extrude this one 40 millimeters up. Now I can turn off that outline. Now I can turn on our shaded viewport. I'm going to go ahead and Boolean split these objects out. So I'm going to split it from our guitar. And I want to split out our extrusions, if I can select it here. There we go. Done. So now I'm going to go ahead and select all these surfaces and delete them out. So there you have it. There's our back pocket. So it should be a little offset here so that our bridge will fit in there nicely. As you can see here, we have a little hole from our volume control pocket. It's not a problem. Shouldn't affect our final product there at all. So in our next video, we're going to be going over filleting the edges, and then after that, we will put in our belly cut and our arm cut.